Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you that how to create amazing lights in the Photoshop in your image. So let's start the video. Before starting, please like this video and subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon to get instant notifications of my new videos. First of all, open Photoshop and import your images. So this is our image on which I want to apply these lights. So if you want to download these images, then the link of these images is in the description of this video. You can download these images for the practice. First of all, unlock the background layer, drag and drop these lights to our image, press Ctrl T to resize it, and apply it on your image where you want. As you can see this, that we cannot see the model. So blend this layer to the screen or soft light. Try all blending options which you like. Thanks, Tariq is perfect. Now as you can see this, the lights are being applied on the image, but these are not looking realistic. So click here, then select the color lookups, then click here and then select the edgy amber. Double click here, then select share to apply it only on the lights. You can decrease the opacity of this color lookup if you want, but on my image it is perfect. Click here, then select the brightness and the contrast. Now increase the contrast. Yes. Now click here, then select the curves. Drag it, drop. As you can see this, that without the brightness and contrast, it is not looking so realistic. So now, select the background layer, then press Ctrl J to make a copy of this layer, then hide the background layer, then press Ctrl Shift Alt E on your keyboard to make a copy of the merged layers. Now name it Camera Raw, and then press Ctrl Shift A to open Camera Raw for little bit adjustments. Go to HSL adjustments, and after these adjustments select OK. Now click here, select the gradient, double click here, then select this one, select this one, press OK, blend this to the radial, then select the reverse, make its angle about 120 or 130 and increase its scale. Okay, blend this layer to the multiply and decrease its opacity about 50% and fill about 60%. Now click here, select the vibrance. Now decrease the vibrance and increase the saturation. Make its opacity about 60%. Now press Ctrl Shift Alt E to merge all these layers. You can simply press Ctrl Shift E to merge all these layers into one layer. So this is the before and this is the after, and as you can see this, that how quickly we add the front lights in our images, which are looking amazing and realistic. So I hope you guys will enjoy this video. If yes, then tell me in the comment section. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon to get instant notifications of my new videos.